guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. This should be pretty easy. I ain't even gonna lie because I only need 10 offers for $5. But if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. And so, a few things I wanted to mention. The Rockstar promotion. Because a lot of you guys have been asking. It is a limit of 1, but you can do it every other week. By texting the same number you've been texting or you previously text. I have so many because you guys are so flipping amazing. And for every one of you guys that use my link, I do get another $5 offer. And so that's why I have tons of them. I've been getting them from Walmart, Dollar Tree. Only thing with Dollar Tree is they are smaller cans. They're 12-ounce cans. And I get them from Food for Less as well, which they're buy one, get one free, $2.69. It makes them just as great a deal as if you were getting them from Dollar Tree. And so that's why I have tons of them, you guys. Tons of them. I'm going to donate them all. The other thing I wanted to mention was Flavor Wiki, you guys. So in my last video, I mentioned that I wasn't completely honest with my responses. They did hit me up, and for those pre-qualification surveys, you want to be as honest as you can. It helps them fit you to the right survey. And that may mean that you may not qualify for some of them, right? And so I just wanted to mention that. Obviously, in the future, I'm going to be more honest with that. But I honestly didn't really think it was that big of an issue, to be honest. But apparently, it affects the outcome of their surveys and their studies and such. So that's why they want you to be honest, all right? So I did want to mention that. What else? I tried the Pedialyte offer yesterday, the OTC one that they emailed me. They sent me another one, and for some reason it didn't work for me. So that deal I did not do. Other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're gonna have to do. Keep on watching. And of course, this is the first deal. This is like the star of a show. It's on the Rockstar. These are priced at $3.88. There's an aisle offer getting back $5 when you buy 2, so you'll pay $3.76. Now, I also have a brand clip survey for 40 cents as well, making them both free plus $1.64 moneymaker, and I will have a link in the description for you. This next deal is on the Starbucks Triple Shot Energy. It's priced at $3.28. You're gonna get back $2.50 from Ibotta. I also have a brand clip survey for 50 cents as well, making this only 28 cents. All right, so this deal is back on the Pedialyte. We're going to grab the freezer pops priced at $4.98. Now, I did get another $3 OTC coupon emailed to me. That's going to bring the total down to paying $1.98, getting back $2 on ShopMim, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Heads up, though, my coupon did not work. And of course, you guys, I have to do this deal. Now, they have been restocking on the Snuggle sheets, which is so awesome. This is a previous clip because I forgot to record in store. This morning, they really restocked. All right, so they're priced at 97 cents, rollback, clearance, whatever. I'm using the $1.25 coupon that is adjusting down, making this absolutely free. Now, I am also grabbing an extra one without the coupon and submitting that on Ibotta for 50 cents back. I also had 40 cents back on brand clip as well, making the 4th box only 7 cents. All right, so this deal is on the Betadine, sore throat antiseptic. I saw Sister Saving You Cents post this on Instagram. It's $8.47, getting back $3 on Ibotta, 1,500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. And this deal I saw couponing with Danielle post. It's on the You Buy Kotex. You want to grab either the 36 count or the 32 count. They're both priced at $5.92. You're going to grab 2 and pay $11.84, getting back $2 on Ibotta, $2 on ShopMim, 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.20 times 2, making them only $1.72 each. All right, so next up is the Degree. For this, you want to make sure you get the black and white. We're going to grab the women price at $4.98. We'll grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $9.98, getting back 4 on Ibotta, 4 on ShopMim. I do have a brand club survey for 50 cents as well, making these only 74 cents each. Now, I also have a Fetch Reward offer that's spend 10, get back 2. So I'm 4 cents away. So I'm going to grab another women price at $4.98. I'm going to also grab the men's as well, which is priced at $5.23. The total for the two is going to be $10.21, getting back $4 for Walmart Cash, $4 on Alexa, and I'll also be getting $4 on Fetch, which is me hitting the deal twice, making them a $1.79 moneymaker. Here is another deal that I got from couponing with Danielle. It's on the Old Spice Gentleman Total Body. These are priced at $12.97, which is completely crazy. But we're going to go ahead and grab one. It is working for 2 different offers on Ibotta. One is for $3, one is for $4. And then 925 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.70, making them only $2.27. All right, so the last deodorant deal is on the Dove Vitamin Care. I think I saw Couponing with Tisa post this deal on her channel. It's priced at $11.98, which is crazy. But we're going to go ahead and grab it. We'll get back 5 on Ibotta, 4 on ShopMium, 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60, bringing this down to only 38 cents. So I've seen a lot of people post this deal. I'm going to go ahead and just do it too. It's on the Colgate Cavity Protection for Kids. The 2-pack is priced at $2.94. You're going to grab 2, pay $5.88. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta, 300 kicks for each one on Shopkick, which is $1.20. I do have a brand club survey for 40 cents as well, making them only 4 cents per pack. Now, this is another option as well to grab the kids at $2.94, the total at $3.96. You'll pay $6.90, getting back 3 on Ibotta. You'll also get back 300 kicks for the kids, 400 kicks for the total on Shopkick, which is $2.80, and then a 40-cent brand club survey makes them 35 cents each. Okay, so this is a deal for the person who doesn't have a life supply of razors. This is the deal for you. It's on this Check Extreme, priced at $6.78, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 4 on ShopMium, bringing this down to only 47 cents each. Okay, so here is another deal you can grab on the Check Intuition. It's on a rollback for $9.78, getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $4 on ShopMium as well, making this only $2.78, but this is only if you don't have a life supply. All right, guys, so I did this deal with the trial size in my last video. It was working. Now it's not working, all right? So I'm grabbing the one on the regular aisle, the full-size bar priced at $188, getting back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, making this only 28 cents. I've done this deal like 22, 23 times. I'm not sure why it keeps resetting, but I'm going to keep doing it as long as it's there. All right, so last but not least, if you are still watching, don't forget to hit that like button. In the comments, I want to see a cake emoji if you made it to the last deal. And so it's on the Dove Men Care. Now, it's on the newer scents. This one smells really good. These are priced at $6.97. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $13.94. Getting back 4 on Ibotta, 4 on ShopMium. Now, there's an offer on Shopkick as well. It didn't scan for me. I bought it, put a ticket in, and it still didn't work out, making these $2.97 each, which is not the greatest of deals. But since we do have moneymakers to help pay for this, y'all, I went ahead and grabbed it anyways. Other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Really quick, you guys, I found some hefty Christmas clearance totes. They're only $3 for these here. They also have the really long ones for wrapping paper for $4. These back here were $4, and the reefs are also $4. So I was like, okay. And so I feel like this is something you can never have too many of. So I definitely went ahead and grabbed some of them. And so just wanted to let you know to check your stores. I grabbed 4 of them. And so I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, so here is my final breakdown for you guys. This is everything that I got today. Well, no, this is not all today. Let me stop. But when I go to Walmart with the Rockstar, y'all, real shout out to y'all that have used my link, because girl has been going ham on Rockstar. I'm up to like 84 cans already, y'all. And of course, I'm going to donate them because I could never, ever consume this much. Not in my lifetime. And so big shout out to you guys that have used my link. Really quick, what else? Okay, so I did the Fancy Feast twice, and it was working the last time I did it, which was like literally, I think I did it, was it yesterday? The day before. My stores haven't restocked yet. And then the Tastefuls, I've only done that one time because my store hasn't restocked yet. Now, I also had offers on Shopmium and on Fetch Reward. So it made that an even bigger moneymaker, which is really, really cool. These are the Luna bars that I got. Again, I got 4, I only got credit for 2. So if I do that deal again, I'll be buying them one at a time. I did the Gatorade 2 times. And for that, I got back $1 on for each one on Fetch. And then I got back $1 on Shopmium as well. And then $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. So I made that a pretty decent deal. With the Dove bars, as you can see, I did that 8 times. I've done that Dove deal, y'all, probably a good over 20 times. Over 20, which is crazy because normally with Shopkick, it usually don't reset no more than 4 or 5 times. But that one is on repeat. So it's on the resets on repeat. So I'm gonna do it on repeat. So that's been working out really good. I did it, and I do 2 a day. So if I go in, I do 2 separate transactions, and I grab 1 for each transaction, and that's been working out for me. Again, I did do the trial size. Well, 2 of those was trial size. I didn't get the kicks. I put tickets in, and they gave me the kicks. One time they actually gave me over 800 kicks. So I was like, okay, cool, thank you. But when I put a ticket in for the Dove Men Care, I didn't get that, which was, it's all right, whatever. It is what it is. I mean, because I did get extra kicks on the Dove, right? What else did I want to mention for this haul? As y'all see, your girl is all snuggled out. And I've been using that printable. It's been working fine. But today when I grabbed a set of 4, the 3rd coupon didn't scan. And so it was okay because I was getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, 40 cents on, on Brand Club. So it really didn't matter because it only made the 4th box like 7 cents. Now, one thing I keep forgetting to mention with Brand Club is that with their surveys now, you get it instantly. Like you don't have to buy something to get it. You just can get it. So technically, if you wanted to go in there and do 3 surveys a day, the surveys amounts are lower, but I mean, if you wanted to go in there and get extra money, you could do that too. And so there was that. What else did I want to mention? I think that was it for this haul, you guys. But big shout out to you guys. You guys made this happen right here. And this is like the star of the show. This helped pay for other stuff, you know? And so, I'm trying to think there was something else Venmo. Did you guys know that you could get a Venmo card? I got mine today and I was like, OMG, because normally my Venmo money, I transfer to my bank account and then I usually will use it from there. But it's hard to not use it for other stuff when it's in there. So now I can just use my Venmo card. And with PayPal, I just use my PayPal card. So now I can use my PayPal card, I can use my Venmo card. So I just wanted to kind of mention that if you guys did or did not know that, you can get you can apply for a Venmo card and it's free. And it works just like the PayPal card. And so, and honestly, y'all, I don't like mixing my rebate money with my real money, my money. I don't. I like to keep my rebate money solely on its own so that it's always there and I can go do deals whenever I want. You know what I mean? And so other than that, I think that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $215.95. I had $9.70 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $206.25. My sales tax for this was $18.72, and a lot of that was right here because in California we have to pay a California tax redemption CRV. And it's 5 cents per can. Now, because I'm donating these, I don't expect to see that back. So it's just gonna be a part of my tax, all right? And so, yeah, but yeah, most of that is that right there, all right? Now we walk away with 105 from aisles, which again, those rebates have been going through in 24 hours, sometimes a lot less than 24 hours. And so, yeah, and I actually have 3 receipts I haven't submitted yet today. I don't know if it's because I'm submitting a ton of receipts that they're just going slower, you know, and they're not really going through. I have to resubmit it over and over. And I'm pretty much just doing it as they go through so I don't get them mixed up. All right, so 105 from Isles. Ibotta is $77. Shopkick was $29.28. ShopMium was $22. My Points is $17.10. Bet Reward is $8.38. Alexa was $4. Swagbucks was $4, and Walmart Cash was $4. Brand Club is $3.90, and that was it. So we got back a total of $274.66 in rebates, you guys. Come here, come closer, come closer. It makes this a $68.41 moneymaker, you guys. How awesome is that, you guys? And that was all because of y'all. And y'all making this happen right here. So again, thank you guys so much for that. All right. So almost $70 we made today, y'all, which is so freaking awesome. Other than that, my emoji, Josiah's emoji for y'all, if you got to this point in the video, is a moon. He said it's a moon because we did planet and I think we did sun. So he said, let's do moon. So if you got to the end of the video, I appreciate you. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. I want to see some moon emojis in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.